Welcome back to Luxury on Wheels. Today we are taking you on an exclusive and immersive journey into a world where automotive excellence meets ultimate freedom on the open road. What you are about to experience is not just a vehicle review, but a deep exploration of one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever imagined, the Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. This motorhome represents the highest level of craftsmanship, comfort, and prestige, designed for those who refuse to compromise when it comes to travel, lifestyle, and refinement. At first sight, the exterior of the Mercedes Maybach Motorhome makes an unforgettable impression. This motorhome carries itself with confidence and elegance, standing tall yet refined, powerful yet graceful. The front design reflects the unmistakable Mercedes identity, elevated by Maybach-inspired luxury detailing. The grille is bold and commanding, framed by sleek LED headlights that offer both advanced illumination and a distinctive visual signature. Every element of the front fascia feels purposeful and premium, from the chrome accents to the sculpted hood that hints at the power beneath. The body design is smooth and aerodynamic, a remarkable achievement considering the size of the motorhome. Flowing lines stretch from the front to the rear, reducing wind resistance and enhancing stability at highway speeds. The paint quality is exceptional, whether finished in classic black, pearl white, metallic silver, or an exclusive two-tone Maybach color scheme. Under sunlight, the surface reflects with a deep, mirror-like gloss that highlights the flawless craftsmanship. Under sunlight, the surface reflects with a deep, mirror-like gloss that highlights the flawless craftsmanship. This is the kind of finish you expect from a luxury limousine, now translated into a motorhome. Large panoramic windows line the sides, offering more than just aesthetic appeal. These windows flood the interior with natural light while providing breathtaking views of the surroundings. They are carefully tinted to ensure privacy and reduce heat, allowing passengers to enjoy the scenery without sacrificing comfort. The wheels are premium alloy designs, engineered to handle long-distance touring while complementing the motorhome's elegant stance. Subtle Maybach-inspired exterior details reinforce the sense of exclusivity, making it clear that this is no ordinary RV. Stepping inside the Mercedes Maybach Motorhome feels like entering a private luxury residence. The transition from the outside world to the interior is immediate and dramatic. Soft, ambient lighting welcomes you in, running along the ceiling, walls, and floor edges, creating a warm and calming atmosphere. The lighting is fully customizable, allowing you to adjust brightness and color tones to match your mood, whether you want a relaxing evening vibe or a bright, energizing daytime setting. The materials used throughout the interior are of the highest quality. Premium leather upholstery covers the seats, with impeccable stitching and soft textures that feel luxurious to the touch. Genuine wood trims add warmth and elegance, while brushed metal accents provide a modern and sophisticated contrast. Every surface feels solid, refined, and meticulously crafted, reflecting the attention to detail that defines the Maybach name. The seating area is designed for ultimate comfort and relaxation. The main captain's chairs are inspired by Mercedes Maybach car seats, offering full electronic adjustment, heating, cooling, and massage functions. These seats are designed to support the body perfectly, making long journeys feel effortless. Whether you are driving or riding as a passenger, the seating position offers excellent visibility and comfort. Rear lounge seats and sofas provide additional space for relaxation, conversation, or entertainment, and many configurations allow these areas to convert into sleeping spaces without compromising comfort. The living area is open, spacious, and intelligently designed. Despite being a motorhome, the interior never feels cramped. Clever layout planning ensures smooth movement throughout the cabin, while hidden storage compartments keep personal items out of sight, maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. The balance between open space and functionality is one of the strongest aspects of this motorhome's interior design. Entertainment is a major highlight inside the Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. A large high-definition display is seamlessly integrated into the cabin, paired with a premium surround sound system that delivers rich, immersive audio. Whether you're watching movies, streaming shows, or listening to music, the experience rivals a high-end home theater. Smart control systems allow you to manage entertainment, lighting, climate, and window shades from a central touchscreen or mobile device, making the entire motorhome feel intuitive and modern. The kitchen area continues the theme of luxury without compromise. This is a fully equipped gourmet kitchen designed for travelers who appreciate fine dining. High-quality countertops, sleek cabinetry, and premium finishes define the space. Modern appliances include an induction cooktop, microwave oven, refrigerator, freezer, and generous storage for cookware and groceries. Everything is designed to be both functional and visually appealing, ensuring that cooking on the road feels enjoyable rather than restrictive. In some configurations, a wine cooler adds an extra touch of sophistication, perfectly suited to the Maybach lifestyle. The dining space is equally refined, offering a comfortable and elegant setting for meals, work, or casual conversations. A beautifully crafted table pairs with plush seating, creating a versatile space that adapts to different needs throughout the day. Whether you're enjoying breakfast with a sunrise view or a quiet dinner after a long drive, this area enhances the overall experience of living on the road. When it's time to rest, the bedroom area offers a true sanctuary. The bed is generously sized and fitted with a premium mattress that delivers hotel-level comfort. Soft lighting, high-quality fabrics, and thoughtful design elements create a calm and relaxing environment. Storage solutions are seamlessly integrated, offering ample space for clothing and personal items, while maintaining a clean and elegant appearance. Sleeping in this motorhome feels peaceful and luxurious no matter where your journey takes you. The bathroom is another standout feature that sets this motorhome apart from standard RVs. Designed like a high-end spa, it features a spacious shower with premium fixtures, a stylish vanity with elegant lighting, and high-quality materials throughout. Some layouts include a separate toilet area for added privacy and convenience. The bathroom feels solid, refined, and indulgent, turning everyday routines into moments of comfort. Performance is where the Mercedes Maybach Motorhome proves that luxury and capability can coexist seamlessly. Built on a robust Mercedes platform, this motorhome is engineered for long-distance travel, stability, and durability. Under the hood, you'll typically find a powerful diesel engine or an advanced hybrid powertrain, delivering smooth acceleration and strong torque. Despite its size and weight, the motorhome feels composed and confident on the road. The suspension system is designed to absorb bumps and road imperfections, providing a smooth and comfortable ride, even on uneven surfaces. Highway driving feels relaxed, with minimal noise and vibration entering the cabin thanks to excellent sound insulation. Long journeys become less tiring, allowing passengers to fully enjoy the experience. Advanced driver assistance systems play a crucial role in enhancing safety and ease of driving. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree camera systems provide confidence in various driving conditions. Parking assistance and intelligent sensors make maneuvering this large vehicle surprisingly manageable. Whether you're navigating city streets or parking at a destination, the steering is responsive and well-balanced, offering precise control without feeling heavy or intimidating. Large fuel tanks provide extended driving range, reducing the need for frequent stops and allowing for uninterrupted journeys across long distances. While fuel efficiency is not the primary focus in this luxury segment, the motorhome delivers respectable performance for its class, supported by aerodynamic design and efficient power management. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where the Mercedes Maybach Motorhome firmly establishes its position in the ultra-luxury category. This motorhome is not designed for the average buyer. Pricing varies significantly, depending on customization options, interior layouts, technology packages, and regional markets. In most cases, prices start in the high six-figure range and can exceed $1 million for fully customized builds. While the price may seem extreme, it's important to understand what you're investing in. This motorhome is not just a means of transportation. It's a complete luxury lifestyle on wheels. Every detail, from bespoke interior materials to advanced technology and superior build quality, contributes to an experience that few vehicles in the world can offer. For business executives, celebrities, luxury travelers, and individuals who value privacy and independence, the investment can be well justified. Owning a Mercedes Maybach motorhome is also about prestige. It reflects success, refined taste, and a desire for the very best. Whether used for cross-country travel across the United States, exclusive business trips, or private retreats, this motorhome delivers comfort and freedom at an unmatched level. As we come to the end of this detailed review, it's clear that the Mercedes Maybach motorhome stands in a league of its own. It combines the engineering excellence of Mercedes with the elegance and exclusivity of Maybach, all wrapped into a beautifully designed motorhome. From its commanding exterior and breathtaking interior to its smooth performance and premium pricing, this motorhome represents the pinnacle of luxury travel. Thank you for watching Luxury on Wheels. If you enjoyed this in-depth review and love exploring the world of luxury motorhomes, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow luxury and automotive enthusiasts. Until next time, keep traveling in style because true luxury never stops moving.